Hey, welcome to 10x Your Investments Masterclass Registration. My name is Anuj Gupta from Tag Investments, India's leading financial distribution firm. We're coming up with a live webinar this week on 10x Your Investments with the best 5 financial products without you having to spend too much of time in choosing financial products so that you can live a worry-free life. With having over 10 plus years of trust of 1100 plus investors and 100 plus success stories from 40 plus cities, investors from 40 plus cities and 10 plus countries across the globe, we have now compiled a framework called 10x, which consists of 3 stages: planning, execution and allocation, taking the investor from financial frustration to financial freedom stage, which we are exactly going to talk about in the live webinar. Whether you are a first time investor or an intermediate investor or an experienced investor having no time, less time, more time, or no knowledge, less knowledge or more knowledge, whether it is about diversification, whether it is about asset allocation, or whether it is about choosing the right financial product, then this webinar is going to be suitable for you. Some of the common pains and frustration points which we have heard from investors are having less risk protection, low liquidity, no time, no knowledge, no goal settings, less trust or no trust on bankers and agents, and not having an anchor advisor. Whereas the investors want to reach a desire of having an adequate risk protection, having a high liquidity, more time to spend with their families so that their investments are system driven, and having more knowledge on financial products to be a more informed investor, having defined goals, having a trusted advisor. Many of us are living with fear of working longer to make a living, having a stressful life, health issues, ending up taking loan for children's education, drop in financial social status, unable to upgrade lifestyle, wanting to expand but unable to start or expand the business, unable to follow the passion which we had actually once had. The 10x journey is all about helping you achieve your dreams by making you retire early, having a stress-free life, healthy life, adequate corpus for children's education, increase in social status, bigger and better home and car, starting a business, and helping you follow your passion. So 10x journey helps you achieve all these goals. So who should be joining this live masterclass? Business owners, traders, retailers, lawyers, advocates, chartered accountants, IT service professionals, retired professionals, individuals who are wanting to grow their wealth. Then this webinar is going to be suitable for you. We are on a mission to be partners with 1 lakh investors by 2030 to help them advance in their investments and financial goals. So go ahead, register yourself for this live webinar happening this week. In this live webinar, for all the participants, we have a bonus worth 50,000 to be shared. All those who are watching us and will be participating with us live in the webinar. So seats are limited, registrations are mandatory. So go ahead, register yourself, and I'll see you on the other side. Thank you.